What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to solve the problem in the Gaussian blur, and particularly inside this Adobe Illustrator. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can create new over here as your blank page or your project. And for the measurement here, I will recommend you to use these pixels, and also here I will use the landscape and click create. Well, basically the problem gonna be like this, guys. Have you ever experienced this, let's say this problem before, when you would like to create the transparent effect of your object over here? Let me fill the color first and also remove the outline or the strokes. Well, basically we can create the, let's say, the transparent or the blurry effect for this outline of this object. So you can actually click this effect and go to this blur and Gaussian blur. And of course, don't forget to make sure that this object has been selected, guys. And you can continue to click preview. And for example, in this pixel, maybe in the 23 pixels, you'll see, or you still see the outline that shape like a square or rectangle, but you like the shape or the blurry effect of these pixels. So it is okay, guys. You can click OK anyway and keep this object being selected. And again, you can go to this effect and click the document raster. And after that, you can go to this option and you can add the pixels over here. For example, I will change it to become 130. And after that, you can continue to click OK. And voila, the square effect, the outside of this transparent or the blurry effect has gone already. So you can use these tips, that is, go to the document raster and use this 130 pixels and click OK. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and don't forget to try this tutorial too. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.